Welcome back. Before connecting from Python, let us spend a few minutes in the MongoDB shell. This helps us understand the structure of MongoDB commands, which are very different from SQL. 1. Accessing the Mongo SH. Two. Basic database commands. The command to view existing databases is show DBS. To switch to or create a new database, you use the used command. Let us switch to a new database called MongoDB_Python, which MongoDB creates if it does not exist. Three. Inserting a document. To insert data, we access the current database using the DB variable, then specify the collection name, for example, db.customers, and call the insert1 method. The argument is the document itself, written in JSON format. For finding data. To perform a read operation, we use the find method on the collection, calling db.customers.find, parenthesis without any arguments retrieves all documents in that collection. We now have a basic understanding of MongoDB's syntax. To summarize, you now have a foundational understanding of MongoDB commands. Next, we install the necessary Python connector so we can execute these types of commands directly from our Python scripts. Our next lecture 30.04, Install pymongo. See you there.